Hello, I'm Vignesh Pandya and I'm going to show you the unboxing and demo of Cooler Master Octane keyboard. This is a gaming gear combo of Cooler Master Octane series. I just got this 5,000 rupees. Nice look. Let's unbox it here. Ooh, amazing. I got keyboard with mouse and here is cables and the box. I got manual, a nice looking box and showing everything in every language. Here the mouse and it's also have a DPI settings and 7 color same LED as the keyboard. Nice click, hear the sound. It's got a 10-minute life cycle. There is nothing in here. The keys are barely visible without lightings. Even in the daylight we can't see the keys letters, but the keyboard is highly hard plastic and highly durable looking. This membrane and it's not a mechanical keyboard. Hear the sound of the click. Nice. Let's attach it and I have installed the keyboard and now I'm going to show you the illumination setup in this keyboard. To start the illumination we have to first press the FN function key and press the key. There is a slight icon, it's barely visible. Press both together and you will get the awesome LEDs. Amazing. It has 7 LED colors and 3 levels of brightness settings. It's also a multimedia keyboard and you get some multimedia, but it does not have any volume mute key. And yes, mouse. Decepticon, yeah. This key is used to change the colors. Nice. It is also yes, right. What a mouse. Ooh, wow, nice. Just like if I got Ferrari with a little 5,000 rupees. That's another thing is you can adjust the brightness using FN and page down, page up key. Edge up key will increases the brightness, page down key is will decrease the brightness, and finally gets off. It does not include any gaming adjustment software. It does not have any uh, macro keys, and yeah, it's nice. We will come up with 2-year warranty. You need to send it back to the retailer where you bought. It does not cover any electrical damages, physical damage, or nothing is covered in warranty. Just the manufacturing defects are current in warranty. Oh, yeah, this overall looking of what I got today. Yes, this breathing effects is nice. Now I can work late night without disturbing anyone. So, yep, this is the keyboard and mouse, Cooler Master Octane. Goodbye.